Hey guys, Zexus here, and today in this video, I'm gonna show you an amazing script. Through this script, you can challenge any players from the server for an arm wrestling competition. Yes, today in this video, we are gonna install an arm wrestling script for your FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's go to the installation process. Before that, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe the channel and turn on the bell notification to never miss an update. Okay, to install the arm wrestling script to your server, you just need to come to their GitHub page. I'll be providing the link of this GitHub page in the description below. Once you reach there, you just need to click on the code and download zip. After downloading it, you just need to extract the file. Then open the file. Then copy this file to your FiveM resource folder. You just need to your FiveM server folder. Then go to Files, Resource. Then I'll be creating a new folder over here. And I'll be naming it ZD Scripts. Okay, I created a new folder called ZD Scripts and I'll be pasting the script over here. After this, we just need to remove the main from the folder. Now open the file and go to config.lua. Here the script is fully customizable. You can customize the script as you want. Here show blip on map is false. I am making it true. So we can see the blips over the map. Before starting the server, we just need to copy this. Before starting the server, we need to ensure our folder name to our Before starting the server, we just need to ensure a new folder name to our server config file. So I'll be opening my server config and I just need to ensure my folder name over here and save. Now let's start the server. In server, when we open our map, we can see a blip over here. It is for arm wrestling table. If you want to create your own arm wrestling table at your own location, you just need to go to a location. For example, I want an arm wrestling table over here. So I just need to copy a vector 3. Just like this. After that, I have to paste the vectors in place of this. So I'll be copying the X and replacing it from 0. Same goes for Y. And same for the Z. Now I just remove this and press Ctrl save. Now I just need to restart my script. And now I have to wait for some time. See, my arm wrestling table got here as well, and you can see a blip on the map. If you want to remove the blip, you just need to set it to false, then it won't show blips on the map. To start the arm wrestling, you just need to come over the table and press E, just like this, and your player get in the position of arm wrestling. As I am alone in the server, I can't show how arm wrestling perform. Other player also need to come close to the table and the player just need to press E. So both of them will get to the position of the arm wrestling and you just need to spam the E button to show your arm strength. There are a total of 3 types of table in this script. You can add any table from these 3 to perform the arm wrestling. This script will increase the interaction between the players of your server. So that's it guys for today's video. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe the channel and turn on the bell notification to never miss an update. So goodbye.